Corculico orchioids. Local name Taramuli. It belongs to the family Hypoxidaceae. This is a small herb found on moist fertile soil. Root paste of this herb is applied externally to cure piles. Cryptolepis buchanani, locally known as Dudhinoi, belongs to the family Apocynaceae. It is a climber and found along the forest path in deciduous and semi-evergreen forest. Latex of this climber is used to reduce the problems of leprosy. Diospyros malavarica, locally known as Mankada kendu, belongs to the family Ebinaceae. It is a tree and found along the rivers and streams. Leaves and fruits are used to extract natural coloring agent and known as Tinduka in Indian Ayurveda. Its bark is used against boils. Silastrus paniculatus, locally known as Kujuri, belongs to the family Silastraceae. It is a climbing shrub and found in open moist places. The seed oil of this climber is used to reduce the problems related to brain. Olex scandens, locally known as Bhadabhadalia, belongs to the family Olecaceae. It is a shrub and found in dry deciduous and moist deciduous forest. It is used as a vegetable in constipation. Clistanthus colinus, locally known as Karoda, belongs to the family Phyllantheraceae. It is a tree and found in deciduous forest. Stem paste of this tree is used against fungal infection as well as used as organic biopesticides. Cisampalus pereira, locally known as Musakani, belongs to the family Menispermaceae. It is a climber and found near moist areas. Root of this climber is used as a medicinal fermenting agent to make country liquor. Smilex perfoliata, locally known as Ramdatun, belongs to the family Smilecaceae. It is a woody climber and found in moist deciduous forest and semi-evergreen forest. Stem of this climber is used against toothache. Evolvulus alsinoides, locally known as Sankhapuspi, belongs to the family Convolvulaceae. It is a herb and found in marshy land, wet forest and open areas. Whole plant paste is used against hair fall. Vanda tessellata, locally known as Rasna, belongs to the family Orchidaceae. It is an epiphytic herb and found in dry and moist deciduous forest. Flowers of this herb are used as antioxidant agent.